I'm with Mr. Blakey with his hole-in-the-wall gas fire. How was the service that you received in the showroom?
Very courteous, very professional, and we ended up with what we wanted, which is good. I think it was the only one we found on the internet with the fire that we wanted in the first place. There's lots of distributors of Gazco, but this was the closest one to us, and it offered us what we needed.
Great stuff. And how did the fitting service of the new fire go?
Again, very smooth. All was done in a period of 2 days. We understood what was going to happen. Everything went to plan. There was an inspection before they came and fitted, and we're really happy with the results.
And would you recommend to family and friends?
Of course we would, yeah.
Great stuff. Thanks for your time, Mr. Blake. Thank you.
You're welcome.